Now, chapter number 3, triangles. In triangle, there is a first theorem, theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. We learn this theorem in standard 8 or 7. Theorem is, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Now given, here given that triangle PQR be any triangle and angle PRS is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR. Therefore given is angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. To prove that measure of exterior angle, that is PRS, is equal to sum of its remote interior angle, that is these two angles, angle P and angle Q. These two are the remote interior angle of the exterior angle PRS. Therefore, to prove angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Therefore, angle PRS is equal to angle PQR, that is this angle Q, and angle QPR, this angle. Sum of these two remote interior angles. Now prove. Now first use the property sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. This is equation first. Now use the angles in a linear pair property. Now see here, angle PRS and angle PRQ, these two angles form angles in a linear pair. Their sum is 180. Therefore angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degree. This is equation second. From equation first and second, their right hand sides are equal, 180, 180. Therefore, their left hand sides are also equal from first and second. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Here note that angle PRQ and PRQ on both sides. Therefore, eliminate this angle, that is angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Therefore, hence we prove that the measure of an exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. In this way, we prove this theorem. Now, we solve some examples on practice set 3.1. In example first, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Also given that angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle A is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle ACD. Now here use the property of, that is theorem of exterior angle of triangle. Here note that angle ACD is equal to, this is the exterior angle of a triangle, is equal to sum of its remote interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B, because theorem on exterior angle of triangle. Therefore, now put the values of angle A and angle B. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle A, that is 70 degree, angle B, that is 40 degree. Therefore, their sum is 110 degree. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. In this way, we solve the first example. Now question number 3. The measures of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Now let in triangle ABC in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to x degree, angle B is equal to x minus 20 degree, and angle C is equal to x minus 40 degree. Now use the property of sum of the angles of a triangle. We know that sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, we write down the equation angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now put the values of angle A, angle B and angle C. Now angle A, that is x degree, angle B, that is x minus 20 degree, angle C, that is x minus 40 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Now solve this equation. X plus x plus x, that is 3x, minus 20 minus 40, that is minus 60, is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x is equal to, आता हा जो निगेटिव्ह 60 याला राईट हँड साइडला न्या, इकडे निगेटिव्ह आहे तिकडे जाताना काय होतो पॉझिटिव्ह. देअरफॉर 3x इज इक्वल टू 180 प्लस 60. देअरफॉर 3x इज इक्वल टू 240. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x. ह्याच्यावरून x ची व्हॅल्यू काढा. x इज इक्वल टू 240 डिवायडेड बाय 3. देअरफॉर इज इक्वल टू 80. 3 8s are 24, that is 80. Therefore angle A is equal to, now find the value of each angle, that is angle A is equal to x degree is equal to 80 degree. Now angle B is equal to, that is x minus 20 degree, that is equal to x minus x, that is 80 minus 20 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. Now third angle C is equal to x minus 40 degree, x minus 40 degree, that is equal to 80 minus 40 degree is equal to 40 degree. Therefore take the sum of 80, 60 and 40, that is 180 degree. Therefore measure of each angle are, therefore measure of each angle of triangle are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. In this way we solve this example. We solve example number 5. From figure, angle NET is equal to 100 degree, angle EMR is equal to 140 degree. Find the values of angle X, Y and Z. Now first here see this angle EMN plus angle EMR. These two angles form angles in a linear pair and their sum is 180 degree. Therefore angle EMN plus angle EMR is equal to 180 degree because angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. Now here put the value of angle EMR. या अँगल EMR ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. किती व्हॅल्यू EMR ची 140 डिग्री. देअरफॉर अँगल EMN प्लस EMR that is 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle EMN is equal to हा प्लस 140 लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आहे त्याला राईट हँड साइडला शिफ्ट करा. दॅट इज 180 डिग्री मायनस 140 डिग्री. Therefore angle EMN is equal to 180 minus 140 that is 40 degree. EMN EMN, that is Z, Z is equal to 40. In this way, we find the value of Z. Now, next find the value of Y. Here also note that angle TEN and angle NEM, these two angles form angles in a linear pair. Now, again use this property. Now, angle NET plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree. But we know that angle NET is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, 100 degree plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree. Now, put this 100 into right hand side. Therefore, angle NEM is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore, angle NEM is equal to 80 degree. Angle NEM, that is Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 80 degree. Now again find the value of X. We know that sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, in triangle NEM, angle N plus angle E plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. That is X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, put the values of angle Y and Z. Here X plus Y, that is 80, plus Z, that is 40, is equal to 180. Therefore, X plus 80 plus 40, that is 120, is equal to 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Therefore, we write down in this way: angle X is equal to 60 degree, angle Y is equal to 80 degree, and angle Z is equal to 40 degree. In this way, we solve this example. Now, example number 7. In triangle ABC, bisectors of angle A and B intersect at point O. Angle C is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle AOB. Here we draw this figure. Now, ray AO is the bisector of angle CAB and ray BO is the bisector of angle CBA. Therefore, ray AO and ray BO are bisectors of angle CAB and angle CBA respectively. Therefore, angle, now here put the value of angle OAB. OAB is equal to 2 times of angle OAB is equal to angle CAB, and 2 types of angle OBA is equal to angle CBA, because definition of angle bisector. बघा इथं angle OAB is equal to half of angle CAB. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 2 times of angle OAB. या पद्धतीने हे दोघे इक्वेशन घेतले. या पद्धतीने आता इन ट्रायंगल CABC C. Therefore, angle ACB plus angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now put the value of angle ACB. We know that angle ACB, that is angle C, that is equal to 70 degree, plus angle CAB. CAB, that is 2 times of angle OAB, plus angle CBA, that is 2 times of angle OBA, is equal to 180 degree. Now take to put 70 into right hand side. Therefore, and to take common from these two, therefore 2 times of angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore 2 times of angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Therefore angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to, now relation between 2 and this bracket is multiplication. If we put in right hand side, it becomes divide. Therefore 110 divided by 2. Therefore angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 55 degree. Now take a triangle OAB. Now sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore in triangle OAB angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB, now here put the value of these two sum from equation first. Therefore this value is 55 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 5 to 125 degree. In this way we find this value. Angle AOB is equal to 125 degree.